Now from Clarendon, let's head up north where the police are investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of a man in Wakefield, Trelawny this morning. Residents say the gruesome incident comes after what was described as a tumultuous relationship between the man and his wife.
A piece of block. What appears to be the weapon which inflicted the final blow. The drops of blood tell the sad tale of what residents say could be another case of domestic violence in Trelawny, ending deadly. TVJ News understands that after 7 Saturday morning, residents in a section of Wakefield in the parish were alerted to screams and commotion involving a woman and her husband.
Like him and his wife now live good. Understand? They now live good, and then come down here, come live. I said, behaving they have down here, you know. I tell you, the abuse are bad. Bad. God, man, shame the lady, shame, and I'm married lady. I'm married. And how we treat him, boy, coming like them is no coupling.
We understand that the wife has fled the community. The deceased has been identified as 59-year-old David Brown, otherwise called Dave. The police say the fisherman was found badly injured close to his house. He was later pronounced dead at hospital. The incident has brought shock to the usually quiet community.
Never, 71 years now me there so. Never, my son, never. Me feel bad about it.
Head of the Trelawny Police Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton confirmed the incident.
A person of interest is his wife, Mrs. Sylvia Montague Brown. They were involved in a dispute last evening, which was reported to the police. The police intervened by warning both parties, particularly the husband, as a complaint was made by the wife. We believe that she can assist us in our investigation. Consequently, we're asking her, to report to the nearest police station or the Falmouth CID.
DSP Milton is appealing to persons to report cases of domestic violence.
We are trained in treating with domestic violence. Once you have a situation of this nature, please report it to us. We have trained persons who can intervene and try to bring the dispute onto an amicable resolution.